Hi everybody, I'm Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to go over how to freeze broccoli. It's pretty easy. All you need is a pot to boil water, large spoon or a slotted spoon, a bowl of ice water, a clean kitchen towel, a freezer safe container of any kind, and broccoli. The first thing you want to do is get your water boiling. Make sure your pot is large enough to fit the quantity of broccoli that you're planning to freeze. I'm just going to do 2 bunches today, so I have a little bit of a smaller pot, and then you can start prepping your broccoli. Make sure to cut your broccoli into the size that you will eventually want to eat it in. It's not very fun to try and break up frozen broccoli, and you don't really want to have to cut it up after you cook it either. Once our water's boiling, we can add our cut up broccoli to the pot. Set a timer for 3 minutes, and then you can fill up your bowl of ice with cold water. Once your 3 minutes is up, we're going to use our big spoon to transfer our broccoli from our pot of boiling water to our pot of ice water to cool it down really quickly. Make sure that you're pressing the broccoli below the surface of the water so it gets nice and cool. Then you can set out your clean kitchen towel on your countertop. We're going to use this to dry off our broccoli. You can use a colander to just dump all the broccoli into a colander and strain it that way. Or if you're doing batches and you want to keep using the same ice water, you can use your slotted spoon. Spread your strained broccoli out on your towel, trying to pick out any ice cubes if they're still in there. Once you have your broccoli all laid out, you can let it rest for 10-15 minutes, dry out a little bit. After your broccoli has spent some time dry, you can put it in a freezer safe container. I just have these reusable freezer bags. You could also just use like a Ziploc freezer bag. If you have a vacuum sealer, something like that would work. And that's it. That's how you prep broccoli for the freezer.